Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to make it rain in Adobe After Effects 2025. So we are at the beginning of a completed composition. I'm going to go ahead and hit the space bar and let you see what we're going to be working on. That didn't work, so I'm going to left mouse click the playhead and then hit the space bar. There we go. Hit the space bar again to make it stop. Okay, so that's what we're going to be making is rain over top of a picture. It has three components. One is the still picture, the other is the effect of rain, and the other is a sound file. So let's get to the beginning. I'll click over here, and this is what you should see when you open up Adobe After Effects. So I'm going to click New Project, and then don't save that, we don't need it, and then click New Composition. Mine will be set at 1920 by 1080. If you want the same and you don't have it, click the down arrow key to choose the size you want. Click the OK button. And then the next thing we need is our picture. So I'm going to hit File, Import. And let's go to our downloads, grab this picture, click Open. And it'll show up under Project over here on the left-hand side. So I'll left mouse click it and drag it onto the screen. I do want it to be the size of the canvas, so I'm going to left click this bottom square and then start to pull and then hit the shift key and hold it down and continue pulling to constrain the proportions. Okay, then I'm going to click off over here, and the next thing we're going to grab is our effect of rain. Now your panels are going to be over here on the right hand side. If you don't see them, you can click this double arrow key, click all panels, and they should show up. Under this list of panels is effects and presets. I'll click that. It'll open up, and normally it would be blank, but I had already typed in CC rain, so I'll just delete it and we'll do it again. CC space rain, and then CC rainfall shows up right here. I'll left mouse click it, drag it onto the canvas, and you'll be able to see the beginning of the raindrops. They'll still be still, but they'll be there. Now we need to grab a sound file, and it would not let me import the sound file last time, so I just went to my file finder, found my sound, left mouse clicked, dragged it to the canvas. Okay, we have all of the components, so now if I hit the space bar, let's see what happens. All right, ta-da! We have rain, which I think is very cool. So the other thing that you're going to want to know is that you can control the rain to a degree. So if you look down here, you'll see all the elements of the project that we've created. And if I click on the picture and then click on effects, you'll see CC rainfall. If I click on CC rainfall, you will see up here now on the left-hand side all of the controls for that effect. You can control the size of the raindrops, the speed. I like to control the wind, so I'm going to click on that one. Oops, there we go. And then just drag the slider over, and it'll look like the rain is coming in from the left-hand side, like the wind is blowing it in from the left. So now let's hit the space bar and see what we've got. There we go. Okay, so I hope this helps you to make rain. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.